Nextreme Performance Chillers simplify research labs. Laboratory researchers have access to more sophisticated instruments than ever before. Modern laboratory equipment requires precise thermal management to protect electronics or to control processes, which places high demands on the cooling solution. Nextreme Performance Chillers meet the cooling demands of modern laboratory equipment with their high efficiency, reliability, and low noise operation compared to conventional cooling technologies. Temperature control is critical for many laboratory instruments used in chemistry, biology, industrial, oil and gas, research, and food science. Some of these devices require cooling to protect sensitive electronics or to control laboratory processes. Incubators and cell cultivation applications need temperature control to create the optimal conditions for cell growth. Precise temperature control is also critical to keep chemical reactions stable. The trend of laboratory equipment miniaturization increases the heat flux density and the thermal challenges. Waste heat must be efficiently dissipated to ensure proper performance. Environmental regulations are also driving laboratories to search for eco-friendly cooling solutions that use environmentally safe refrigerants. Cooling systems must also meet UL 61010-1 or IEC 61010-1 lab safety standards to verify that units are not hazards to operators and the surrounding environment and equipment. European manufacturers must comply with RoHS, which means that the equipment does not contain lead, mercury, cadmium, and other heavy metals. OEMs, laboratories, and research universities require a compact, powerful chiller that is easily portable and versatile to support the cooling needs of their entire equipment installation. Today's chillers offer a high coefficient of performance, COP, achieving a 3-to-1 ratio of cooling capability versus power consumption. Modern chillers use environmentally friendly refrigerants, are more cost-effective, and create less noise compared to previous models. Laird Thermal Systems Nextreme Performance Chiller offers reliable, precise, and versatile temperature control for multiple types of laboratory instruments. By utilizing high-performance variable speed motors, the Nextreme Chiller offers lower noise operation and reduced energy consumption by up to 50% compared to conventional compressor-based systems. It also achieves similar performance with half the global warming potential, GWP, compared to traditional hydrofluorocarbon, HFC, refrigerants. The compact Nextreme Chiller can cool well below ambient temperatures, achieving a temperature accuracy of plus 0.1 degrees C. Laboratory technicians can easily control temperature set points, coolant type, flow, and alarm settings on the LCD touchscreen display, while the coolant level can be monitored via the indicator window on the front panel. To minimize downtime, the Nextreme Performance Chiller can be equipped with a hot swappable 5-micron water filter option, which means that the maintenance can be scheduled at any time, even during operation. Laboratory equipment requires sophisticated thermal management systems to ensure proper operation and accurate results. As laboratory devices are becoming more powerful, there is an increasing demand for more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly cooling solutions. Today's recirculating chillers are more efficient than a decade ago. The Nextreme Performance Chiller series combines energy efficiency with powerful cooling capability and the versatility needed for modern laboratory settings. Visit LairdThermal.com to learn more about how the Nextreme Chiller series can simplify your lab. Laird Thermal Systems develops thermal management solutions for demanding applications within medical, analytical, industrial, transportation, and telecom markets. If you have questions or need more information, please chat with us via the website.